stop for a moment because this story carries a magical secret. What if you met someone beautiful and mysterious, but one question could make you lose them forever? Today, from the heart of Great Britain Folktales, listen to the enchanting story of the Fairy Bride. This is not just a story, it is filled with danger, curiosity, love, and an unforgettable lesson. Long ago, in a quiet village near green hills and misty rivers, lived a young farmer named Rowan. One evening, while walking home, he noticed a soft golden glow near the forest. Curious but careful, Rowan stepped closer. Suddenly, he saw her, a beautiful fairy sitting beside a pool of shining water. Her voice was gentle and her eyes sparkled like stars. Rowan's heart raced. Over many evenings, they met again and again. They shared stories, laughter, and soon they fell deeply in love. One night, Rowan gathered his courage. "Will you marry me?" he asked. The fairy smiled but spoke seriously. "I will marry you, but you must promise me one thing. Never ask where I come from or about my fairy world. If you do, I will have to leave forever." Rowan agreed immediately. For a long time, they lived happily. Their home was filled with warmth, kindness, and a little magic. But slowly, curiosity began to grow inside Rowan. Questions whispered in his mind. Why does she disappear at dawn? Where is her magical land? One stormy night, unable to stop himself, Rowan asked the forbidden question. The fairy's face turned pale. "You broke your promise," she said softly, tears shining in her eyes. Before Rowan could apologize, a bright light surrounded her, and she vanished into the night. Rowan fell to his knees, realizing too late that some promises protect the things we love. Moral of the story: trust is more powerful than curiosity. Never risk losing someone by breaking your word. Thank you for listening to this magical tale from Talk Through Tales, where beginners learn English through beautiful and easy stories. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe for more simple English folk tales. Share it with someone who loves magical stories. And remember, sometimes the greatest magic is keeping a promise. See you in the next story.